Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install on your iPhone some custom song you want to install. So just open your iPhone and just go to the settings, and in settings you need to find sounds, so just open sounds. And in sounds you will see ringtone, so just open ringtone and just click on tone store, and here you will see different songs you can also set as your ringtone. So for example, Blame, Calvin Harris. Here you can see what price is for this song and what time this song's plays. So just pay money and just set your song as ringtone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like.